Hi everyone, my name is Ogunkunle from Food and Animal Science Department. I'm presenting on the effects of spent M biomass on behavior, health, gut function, microbiome dynamics, growth, carcass quality, and reproductive performance of beef cattle. Industrial hemp conservation is increasing across the nation due to the passage of Farm Bill. And this industrial hemp conservation, they extract cannabinoids from it, CBD, which bring about byproducts from it, which is spent hemp biomass. And this spent hemp biomass can serve as source of environmental pollution if not used. So we are incorporating spent hemp into the animal feed because ruminant animals can digest fiber and can utilize this fiber. Our objectives are to evaluate the effect of supplementing spent hemp biomass in beef cattle diets on behavior, health, growth, performance, and carcass quality of cattle. The methods, this experimental site will be Thomas Wilfred Agricultural Research Station, and we'll be using 20 Angus cattle in this project. We have 4 different groups, which is the control group that will have no spent hemp biomass. We have the 5% group, which is low spent hemp inclusion. Then we have 10% group, which is moderate inclusion, and the 20%, which is high supplementation of the spent hemp biomass. And we'll be using 4x4 lattice square design, in which we have 2 weeks acclimation period, 4 weeks for the readings, the data, and another 4 weeks for washout period. So in between, after the 4 weeks for the washout period, we'll start with the second experiment until we finish the 4th one. And we'll rotate the animals. The one in the control for the first experiment will be in the 5% for the second experiment, 10%, and lastly. So all of them will hit at different time. Then we'll take acceptability to know maybe they're accepting the feed, because if they don't accept the feed, we can't feed them with the biomass. So we'll look at acceptability, the intake, the rumen and fecal microbiome samples, blood samples will be collected to know how it affects their health. Expected results. So at the end of the study, we'll know maybe the animals have accepted the feed or not. Then we'll know maybe spent hemp biomass influenced their behavior. Maybe it affected their behavior, their health, and rumen functions. Then this is the usual conversion of spent hemp biomass. And conclusions: spent hemp biomass will know the impact on performance, health, and reproductive activities of beef cattle, and likewise, the presence of CBD and THC in meat of heifers will be determined. Thank you.